Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Randall and I'm here with Havre & Boger Niagara at Expo 2021 where we're exhibiting in the Central Hall booth number 7301. We are excited this week to launch our next generation F-Class here at the show, and I wanted to share a couple of the features with you here today. First of all, the machine is lock bolted rather than welded. This is more effective in the demanding, load-bearing, high vibration operation of a vibrating screen to ensure its structural integrity. Next, we have the high open area deck frame. This offers more open area than any traditional flat deck frame, and it can accommodate virtually any hidden sleeve screen media. And last thing I wanted to share with you is our revolutionary drop guard, which protects the cross beams of the machine. The drop guard can be installed with absolutely no hardware to make maintenance easy and quick for you and your team. So come by and see us and our new F-Class here this week at Expo 2021.